Hello everyone, Jesse Webb, Traders Pro. Market conditions, bullish in a bull market. Still seeing some constructive base building off of this support area right here. S&P 500 now working on that retracement, starting to move back up a little bit. Did see the momentum indicator, which is also moving in the right direction. Breadth actually back up into the green, which is a good thing right here at these levels. Sentiment is still relatively high, which is also with this pattern formation is still quite bullish. The overall sentiment having that pullback, we're definitely not in an upper extreme range. We've had, we were there and now we've pulled back closer to this 50% range. So we're still in that upper range of uptrend. And so now these pullbacks that we're getting, we're seeing buying into those pullbacks, and that continues to be the overall trend right here. S&P 500, just based on the SPY, also a real nice bullish buy profile right here after a pullback confirmation bar that we had a couple days ago, and now we're just kind of gliding higher. We'll see what today brings. Futures are up a little bit this morning, and so overall sentiment is still pretty bullish at this point. New buy list, we've got some nice looking new buys. ISEE medical biotech stock had a really long base and some support area here. A little bit of a funky day a couple of days ago, and so a little bit of caution right there, even though it's moved back up into that upper into that buy zone. Now there are a couple of better looking stocks in the list today. MOD, nice, huge rally here from the 20s to 30s. Nice, 20, 25, 30% move here in the last few weeks, I should say, and looking like it wants to potentially break out here. MOD, OPRA, this has been a high flyer this year. It's gone from $5 down here in this range all the way to 20. 200% year to date, 356% over the last 12 months. And so it's had a decent pullback off of those highs, and now it's got a nice looking bullish bar confirmation right here. Keep an eye on that one. It's also a muscle stock in the muscle stocks list. It's a 99 rank. Remember, if you go to the muscle stocks tab here, you're going to have your top stocks with the highest ranks that are listed here. And so when you have those high ranking stocks and they're moving back and forth from hold to buy, and those are certainly ones to keep an eye on. But that OPRA has been one that has been in that group for this last year. It's a nice one to keep an eye on. RCEL, let me just refresh that, make sure we are good. Go through these one more time. OPRA, RCEL, good solid confirmation bar, nice bullish buy profile, and a potential for a breakout right here. So keep an eye on that one also. Some of these, again, same story right here. It's a 99 rank because it's had a really good 12 months. That rank is based on the prior 12 months. It's heavily weighted towards the most recent quarter. So you've got a big run up here percentage wise. And so it's a momentum style stock that has the ability to really move, particularly once it gets additional momentum. So I'd keep a close eye on this pattern here with this uptrend, counter trend, the support area, and then looking like it wants to break out on RCEL. And then the last stock on the top 5, PEN, this is, in my opinion, the best looking chart pattern because it's such a smooth trend. Okay, we talked about that smooth trend where it just you don't get a lot of the volatility this direction. There's some stops and starts, but ultimately it moves higher, it counter trends, it moves higher, it counter trends. So now you've got this breakout, this support area right here, and a really solid looking confirmation bar that doesn't have a huge percent. It's not that 20-25% move with a big gap right there. Yes, it is a $300 stock, but that doesn't matter. It's still, percentage-wise is a big mover. So keep an eye on that one right here. Fundamentally also looking good. Some big numbers here in fundamental, all green, nice looking setup confirmation bar. That would be the one I would be watching the closest right here on a possible breakout pattern. Follow through on that bar for today. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day.